Hey sweetie, let's play with this pizza maker today!
We'll feed the little animals their favorite foods. Then sort all the ingredients into veggie and meat sections. After that, let's make a super yummy pizza together. And finally, we can play tic-tac-toe on the back of the pizza tray.
Hey moms, skip screen time this break. Try this pizza magnetic playset for pretend play together. It includes 70 magnetic pieces in 18 types, 6 double-sided crust bases for pizza or waffles. The 3D design feels like a real pizzeria. For play modes, learn ingredient names and feed animals. Sort meats and veggies, become a chef and DIY creations, plus tic-tac-toes. The box has a sturdy leather handle. Magnetic pieces stay secure. Roleplay builds fine motor skills. Teaches colors and shapes. Grab one now. Over 20 years in magnetic toys, we have production lines and QC. Tiles tested for adhesion and smooth edges, safe and durable. Eco materials certified to EU and US. We offer OEM and ODM and copyright sales for designs. Stock supports mixed wholesale. We provide higher margins at same retail. After sales quick. For developers, we are a reliable and flexible factory design partner for small runs, co-branding, or full projects. Pizza Maker is now seeking distribution partners nationwide. Pretend Play sells well all year round, and this sets rich gameplay and quality attract customers. Bulk orders enjoy discounts, and we can send samples today. Don't let your competitors get ahead. Contact us now and make Pizza Maker your seasonal bestseller.